Welcome back to Decoding AI for You, the 5-minute deep dive. If you are part of a trade show event planning team, you have faced the same challenges. That is, how do we design a booth that truly stands out? Not just look good, but actually engage, convert, and leave a lasting impression. And lately, I've been exploring something that's shifting how I think about booth design entirely: generative AI. Once I started looking into how this AI tech works for booth design and production, it completely changed how this work is approached. We're not talking about just speeding up the design process, we're talking about transforming it. Imagine this. Instead of waiting days for one booth mock-up, I can now generate 50 distinct mood boards in under an hour, each aligned with our brand, our audience, and even current trends. That kind of speed and personalization, it's a game changer. We're seeing tools that pull from our past events, performance data, and market insights, all to tailor booth layouts that don't just look great, but are optimized for traffic flow and visitor behavior. It's like having a super fast creative partner who's also a strategist. What's really exciting is how this tech goes beyond just aesthetics. With AI, we're freeing up our team's time, less repetitive drafting, more focus on strategy, and big picture creativity. And when it comes to production, generative AI helps us prototype layouts with 3D visualization tools before we ever spend a dime on materials. We can adjust in real time and avoid costly mistakes. And speaking of materials, AI is helping us make smarter, more sustainable choices. It analyzes costs, supplier data, and environmental impact to recommend the best options. I've even seen projected cost savings of 15 to 20% just by optimizing the supply chain and avoiding overproduction. That's real money we can reinvest elsewhere. But maybe the most powerful shift is in how we personalize the attendee experience. AI adapts content in real time, on screens, in demos, even in augmented and virtual reality settings, based on how each visitor interacts with the booth. So now, it's not just a static display. It's an intelligent, evolving experience that makes each person feel seen. Even behind the scenes, AI is doing heavy lifting, automating timelines, adjusting for supplier delays, optimizing layouts based on foot traffic. It's helping us plan and execute better, faster, and smarter. And it's not just about event day. AI gives us predictive insights from past events that help us improve every time we step on a show floor. Of course, it's not all plug and play. You need clean data, the right team skills, and a strategy to actually embed this tech into your process. But once you do, the payoff is massive. Better designs, lower costs, deeper engagement, and a booth that actually becomes a living, breathing part of your brand. So if you're in trade show planning and wondering where to start with generative AI, start here. Booth design and production. It's tangible, it's powerful, and it's where AI can make one of the biggest impacts, fast. If you're ready to take the next step, check out the resources in the description, which includes our deep dive report, provides a detailed analysis on generative AI within your industry. And as always, stay curious, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next episode of Decoding AI for You. Thanks for watching Decoding AI for You. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's keep exploring the future of AI together. See you next time.